Here's how to go about completing the quiz for selecting typefaces. You'll want to have two browser tabs open. One where you've logged in to the fonts.adobe.com website, and the other will be this page here. So you've got an example of basically how you would end up answering each question. In this example, the topic was jazz concert, and so the person chose the typeface called FF Blur, and the type classification for FF Blur, it is a sans serif. And the person wrote in as the feeling for this typeface, the feeling they got was that it is an energetic font. So let's look at another example here from this question 1. And in this question, the topic is birth announcement. So I'm going to go over to the Adobe Fonts website and look for a font that looks like something that would be good for a birth announcement. And then I'll take note of the type of the classification, and then I'll write in the feeling that I get from that particular typeface or font. So let me go over here now to my other tab at the Adobe Fonts website. And here's their home page. You could also click on the tab for all fonts. And when you do that, you actually have a navigation, a menu over here on the left. And you've even got a list of different font classifications here. So you could even, choose one of these. Let's say I figure a birth announcement, probably script is going to be nice. So I'll click on that button right there. And then I'll get to see a whole host of script fonts. So maybe I'll look through these and find something that I like. And maybe I like this one here, Grapholita Script. And I think I'll just go ahead and click on that though. And there are some options here in the Grapholita Script. So maybe I prefer the one in the middle, Grapholita Script Medium. And I know from the classification it's considered a script font. So I go back to the quiz right here, and I can even maybe I'll just copy paste that and down in here just for convenience. And the typeface was called Grapholita. Let's see, I think I'm spelling this correctly. Grapholita Script Medium was the one that I liked. And then the classification, of course, was script because I clicked on that button, the classification button of script. And the feeling, that's up to me. You know, how does that font make me feel? Maybe I feel like it's decorative and friendly, something like that. Okay, so that part would be up to you, how each font makes you feel, or the feeling that you think it is trying to convey. All right, so that's what you would do for every question. The next one here, this topic is blood drive, and yours may be different than what I'm seeing here in the example. And then you'd go back to that site again and look for something that you feel would be appropriate for a poster for a blood drive. And if you wanted, you could just go back and click on the all fonts. And you can either use the search bar at the top here and type in keywords or key phrases, or again, you could, click on one of the classifications and sort of work from that. Okay, so basically that's how you go about completing this activity.